So we have our shrimp, and we're gonna actually fry them up.
Okay.
So the tempura that I have is cornstarch, potato starch, flour.
Wow.
And then I just have baking powder, and then just a little bit of beer as well.
Oh,
So,
nice.
you can use
Get those bubbles.
Yeah, yeah. You can use
Club soda
or something like that.
The
as
potato
well.
starch is interesting. I've
Yeah.
never seen that in a tempura batter before.
Oh yeah, it's got a little bit like heavier gluten to it, so it does fry
Right.
it really well.
So it keeps it nice and light.
Yeah.
These
And,
are gorgeous shrimp.
Yeah, they're U15, meaning 15 per pound. So
Gulf
roughly they're
shrimp?
almost. These are Gulf shrimp now.
Nice.
Yeah. They're almost an ounce apiece. So.
It's nice. So you're just gonna get these nice and crispy. I love that. So these will go pretty quick too. Now the oil's really hot.
Yeah,
at this
it
point.
is. Yep. It doesn't take too long, but we do want, obviously we're gonna let them cook
Right.
through. But they also do have a little carryover heat.
Okay.
That's gonna make them cook
Sure. We
more.
don't want to overcook the shrimp, of
Yeah.
course.
Yep. These are guys
They look great.
might not even make it to the sandwich. Just start eating.
Right.
All right. So these guys are
Nice.
fun. Yep. All right. We got these. They're there.
You can hear how crispy they are. You can hear that crunch.
Right. Right.